Health is a state of complete harmony of the body, mind, and spirit. When one is free from physical disabilities and mental distractions, the gate of the soul opens. Respected Principal Ma'am, Director Ma'am, Head of June event, the coordinator, teacher and my dear friends, good morning. We welcome the brand new day with open hearts. Let's step into the world of learning and discover where we commence very simply. Today, I, Sarah Mehta, welcome you all on behalf of Class 3D to present our class assembly on healthy eating habits. Today, we will focus on the importance of eating well, being active, and adopting healthy habits. It is a great way to raise awareness about healthy food choices and lifestyle. Prayer is an expansion of total faith in the present power within and around us. When we pray with faith, we express it through a sincere thanks to God. Now, I request you all to rise for the morning prayer. Please join your hands. Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is our diet is a bank account and good food choices are good investments. Eating healthy food fills our body with energy and nutrients, making our cells smile back and say thank you. Staying informed is the first step towards responsible citizenship. Now let's say Naira, Zubeer, Mehereen and Newton, the latest happenings from around the globe. Good morning everyone. Every year the month of September is celebrated as Rashtriya Poshan Maha across the country. The objective of the Poshan Maha is to addressing the issue of malnutrition amongst young children and women to ensure health and nutrition for everyone. After Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on the moon South Pole, Aditya L1, the country's first solar mission, successfully performed the second Earth round efficiency. SWS News. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th of September in the school to honor the teachers who teach selflessly for the good of their students.
Hindi Divas was celebrated with great pomp and show in the school on 15th September to commemorate the adoption of Hindi as India's official language. Thank you.
A healthy diet is essential to stay healthy. A well-balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables are essential for our well-being. However, we all love to eat fast food. There is always a struggle and confusion to choose between the two, as one is healthy while the other is tasty. We are the group of healthy food items, so we are stronger. I tell you, why should we all eat only healthy food? There are three types of healthy food groups. Let me introduce all the healthy food groups. First is energy-giving food. Energy-giving foods are superfoods as we get lots of energy from them. They are rich in carbohydrates. Example, nuts, seeds, bread, chapati, whole grains and rice are energy-giving food. The second food group is bodybuilding food group. Food rich in proteins are bodybuilding foods for overall well-being. Milk and cheese are a great source of calcium and protein. Calcium makes the bones stronger. Oats and nuts are protein-rich foods. The next group is the group of protective foods. Colorful vegetables and fruits are protective food items. They help fight against many diseases and help the body from inside, heal the body from inside. For example, citrus fruit, colorful vegetables such as tomatoes, bell pepper are included in the protective food group. An important fact about healthy food. Healthy diet along with lots of water and exercise, enough sleep and rest help us become healthy and strong. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Informative. I hope we all make a conscious effort to include healthy food items in our diet and also follow a healthy lifestyle. Now, let's watch a video to refresh our concepts about healthy diet.
Papa, badu Hey.
enlightening video. Now, I would like to request Gursheen, Japnoor and Tanveer to recite a poem on Stay Healthy.
Healthy. Eat right, sleep right, exercise to keep right. Just as cars need gas to go, you need food to run and grow. So many foods to eat, it's true. Which ones are the best for you?
Food alone is not enough. Exercise also keeps you tough. So many ways
September.
My name is Nitesh. My birthday comes on 23 September.
My name is Nancy and my birthday comes on 20 September.
That principal ma'am always inspired us with her vitalizing speech. Now I would request principal ma'am to say a few words and guide us.
Good morning, dear teachers. Good morning. So I think the students and a teacher of 3D, Swati ma'am, has got us started on a great day because a balanced diet is needed to have a balanced life, right? So if we have low energy, if we don't eat well, then we cannot do whatever we are supposed to do. So as children, you are supposed to come to school, study, play, learn. But if you've not eaten properly, or they also spoke about sleep, if we've not slept enough, then we will not have the energy to do any of the things that we are supposed to do. So actually, the vitalizing assembly was done by the children. I am just reiterating what they said. Balanced diet is needed. Do you all have a balanced diet? Yes, all of you eat fruits? Yes, vegetables? Yes, chapati rice? Yes, very good. Milk, eggs? Yes, ma'am. Very nice. What about water? Yes, good. So all these things are needed for us to become stronger. You saw the muscles? Yes, after the boy drank milk, how did the muscles grow? So, with the muscles, the boy or the child is able to, and we all are able to fight off diseases. Yes? There's so many diseases, so we won't fall sick all the time if we have a balanced diet, if we become strong. Thank you so much, children. You were so confident and you spoke so well. And did you all enjoy the little video? Yes, ma'am. Great, so did I. We all love to watch cartoons. Do you? Yes. So it was a great start to the day. Yes? Watching a cartoon, coming to know about what we should eat and drink, how to be strong and healthy, and that is what is important. Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. Thank you, children of 3D. It was a great assembly.
Ma'am, if we also eat a balanced diet, we can also do good in sports.
Yes, obviously. So, when you eat a balanced diet, you can play games to enjoy or in sports, in competitive sports also. So, great. Thank you so much, children. Thank you, Payal ma'am. Thank you, Sarika ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Wonderful assembly.